All right, today I have a 2019 Ford Fusion, and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the air conditioning and heating unit and just basically go over the controls for the unit. All right, so let's get started. All right, I'm going to start at the left-hand side and work my way around. All right. Oh, before we get started, can you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? All right, for more great content. All right, at least I think it's great. All right, thanks a lot. All right, so let's get started. All right, so I'm right here. I'm on the left-hand side. This right here, this plus and minus, this is for temperature control. I can press this right here for plus. It raises the temperature. Press that right there. It lowers the temperature. Or as you can see right there, lower it, raise it. All right, pretty cool, right? And then I move over here to the right. This right here shows you where the air is blowing. When I press this, all right, when I press this right here, it brings up a module on the display screen for me to direct the flow. All right, so I'm gonna press that, come up here, and you can adjust it. You can have the fan blowing at the feet. You see with the blue, it's on to blow at the feet. You can turn it off so it's not blowing at the feet. Right here, you can blow at the face. I can turn it off so it's not. This is for the windshield. Turn it off so it's not blowing at the windshield. And then you have the max windshield blowing right here. You can press that, and it blows really hard at the windshield to defrost it or defog it. And here is max AC. For any difference you want air conditioner on, you can press the max AC right there, and it blows. All these things light up right here, and it's blowing cold air. Let's turn it off because it's actually quite cold outside today. All right, so we're gonna go right there. I'm gonna have it blow at the face and the feet. Close this, all right? Next, we're gonna go, here are some more controls for the max right here. You know, I showed right there at top, max defrost for the windshield. You can press that. All right, turn that off. Right here is for the rear window defrost station right here. I can press that. It defrosts the rear window. All right, we're gonna pop back up here. Here is fan speed. I can press this, right here, the minus for slow fan speed, or this for a high fan speed. All right, turn it down low so you can hear me. All right, right here is for the AC. Press this for air conditioning. When you have it on cold, make sure this is pressed so the air conditioning unit can turn on, because it won't blow that super cold air without it, okay? Go ahead and turn that off. This is max AC, and what this does, the max AC, it recirculates the air in the vehicle. It turns on the AC, but it circulates the air into the vehicle to deliver a very cold air blow, all right? Press that, turn that off, because I don't want that cold air on me, not today. All right, so right here, you have this right here. This is for recirculation, okay? You can recirculate the hot air or the cold air right here. Have it recirculate within the vehicle, all right? We've gone over that, and this is the auto feature. You press that, and it automatically starts going, all right? Now, turn that off. Can't really turn it off unless I press this right here. Turn the fan speed down. And then this button right here, this is the on-off switch. If I press this, currently it's on. Turn it on, off, all right? Turn it back on. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.